Hey designers, welcome to Quick Tips for Figma, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to perfectly align objects in Figma using Figma's alignment tools. Let's dive right in. Okay, here we are in Figma and I'm going to drag these objects into my frame. Right, now the first thing that I want to do is obviously align them. So I'm going to just multi-select these objects here, and I do that by clicking Shift and Select, and then I'm going to go to the alignment tools, which are situated here at the top right corner of Figma. And here you'll see you have align left, align horizontal centers, align right, align to the top, align to vertical centers, align bottom, and then also some more options to tidy up, distribute vertical spacing, and distribute horizontal spacing. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to just make sure that let me just deselect that quickly. Oops, let's go back here again. I want to make sure that I align these horizontal centers. So look at what happens when I click, and it aligns these buttons perfectly. Now, the other thing that we want to do is we want equal spacing between these buttons. And we'll do that by going to the distribute vertical spacing option here in Figma, and let's click that, and then you'll see they are perfectly spaced. And just to show you another trick here, when objects are perfectly spaced or distributed, you select them all, then you will notice there's this line here, and you can click on that and you can then adjust the spacing to what you want them to be. So I'm going to just leave it here for now. I think I'm happy with that. Now we have the rest of the design to look at. So I'm going to select the logo, the text, and the buttons here. And you'll notice that they're not perfectly aligned. So again, I'm going to go to the align horizontal centers and watch what happens. Now that's perfectly aligned. The next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that all these objects are perfectly aligned with the frame that it's in. So I'm going to select my objects again, and this time I'm just going to right click and say group selection, and you can see I can drag this all around. Now I want this to be perfectly aligned with the design or the frame, and I'll just go here to horizontal centers again and click that. And now everything is aligned perfectly in here. And then of course, I'm going to just ungroup this and show you something else. Of course, you can then move them around if you want to. And I'm going to just make sure that I have equal spaces between them. So I'm going to select this group of buttons, select the text, and select the logo. And again, I'm going to go to distribute vertical spacing. And now there's equal space between the logo and the text and the buttons. And that's it. Aligning and distributing objects in Figma is super simple, but it's a really useful tool to speed up your design workflow. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips. See you next time.